This is room 3003 at Disney's Yacht Club. This is a king bed and it does have a pull-out sofa. So you got the Keurig right when you walk in and the cooler. Let's see, you've got the closet space right here. Really nice, a lot of closet space on that side and as well. And then let's see, the safe, the ironing board, steam iron. And then here is the bathroom. So we got a bathroom, no bathtub, but we're only staying here one night. And here is the toilet and the shower. So we have a shower in this room, no bathtub. Again, only staying here one night, so it's not a problem. But if you are requesting this room, just be aware that there is no bathtub. This is a sofa that does pull out, and we have all this space, so this is really nice. We've got this desk, good plugs, there's me. Really, I mean, this room has just so much space. There is the dresser drawers and the bed, king bed, really, really nice. And then the view is what is amazing. So here is the view. Let me take you out on the balcony. So here's the balcony view, beautiful view of Crescent Lake and the Swan. And I'm curious if tonight we'll be able to see, I think we might be able, yeah, I think we'll be able to see the fireworks from Epcot from here. You would be able to see the fireworks at Hollywood Studios, but they're not going on right now. But amazing. Now it is a walk. It is a long walk to this room, but the view is worth it.